baby. Baby, look, it's raining. Hey, look, it's raining outside. Oh, wow. Yeah, it's been a while. Oh, that's nice. And right when we're about to take a nap. I mean, that's perfect. So calm. It's kind of nice hearing the rain at the window. Oh, wait. You're not... You're not scared of that, right? It's just a little bit of thunder, baby. Hey, no, it's miles away. Baby. Baby. Hey, it's okay. Hey, come here, baby. Ah, baby. It's only thunder. It's okay. Oh, sweetheart. Oh. No, it's okay. Oh, my goodness. Hey. I'm right here. I'm not going anywhere. I'm not going anywhere, okay? I know you don't like loud noises. You don't have to try and explain it to me. It's okay. Hey, it's okay. You don't even need to explain it. Don't even worry about it, okay? I'm just here. Hey, it's okay. Hey, whatever the reason is, it doesn't matter. What matters is that I'm here for you, okay? So, you don't have to try and explain it or rationalize it to me. It's a loud noise, I know. Here, I'll curl up. Come here. Just rest your face on my chest. Get nice and cuddled in there. Nice and cozy, comfy. Comfy, comfy, comfy. Cozy, cozy, cozy. Comfy, 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 cozy, cozy. Squish, 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 squish. Squish, 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 squish. Baby. Oh my gosh. When you hold on to me like that. You're so sweet. I just want to take care of you. Baby girl. Hey. I just want to take care of you. You're very special. You're very special to me. Yes, you are. My special girl. Yeah, you are. You are, baby. You are my special girl. Hey. So let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. I'll play with your hair. You like that. Give you some scratchies. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Mm. Here, move your leg over. Ah, there we go. Ah. Our bodies cannot be any closer. You're utterly enveloped. Hold on a minute. Let's do this. Get under here. And get under my shirt. There we go. No, we actually can't be any closer. Now you're the comfiest. Comfy, comfy, comfy. You are squeezing on to me. You are, oh my gosh. You're holding on to me for dear life. It's okay, baby. I know, it's just raining now. I don't hear any thunder. It's miles and miles away. It's just a noise, okay? Very special. When I trace my fingers over your body, I always get little goosebumps. Your body is so sensitive. Hey. Just hold on to me, okay? You're gonna fall asleep under there. I might get a little bit too warm under all those blankets. What are you squeezing me for? What is it? What are you trying to ask for? Are you trying to get? What are you trying to get? Are you trying to get it? Are you trying to get the big squeeze? Is that what you're trying to get? Is that why you're squeezing me? That is why you're squeezing me. Is that you want to squeeze? You want to squeeze you back? Mm-hmm. You want to do it? You want to squeeze you? I want to squeeze you. I'm gonna squeeze you. Don't make me do it. I'm gonna squeeze you. You ready? You ready, sweetie? Okay. You ready? 1, 2, 3. I gotta shake you a little bit. I feel like that helps you. Like your body feeling like it's gonna be like squished, like down the middle, and like me shaking you a little bit, kind of gets like your heart rate up, you know, and then it kind of just knocks you out. You're like a bear hibernating in the winter under all these blankets and under my shirt. I would be burning up under there. I'd be so fucking hot. I don't know how you're doing it. You're so cute. I like it when you're clingy. I do. I like it when you're like this, sweetie. You can be clingy with me. You can be clingy with me, sweetie. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Now let's take our little nap, okay? Okay. Mm. Let's take our little nap. What you want more? Alright, fine, but that's how I'm gonna sleep, babe.